How to grow your network marketing business fast, right? We all know that in network marketing, success loves speed, but what do you do if you're stuck or you're just not feeling like you're having the speed or the success that you really want in order to grow your business and hit the next rank in your company, hit that 5-6 figure mark in your business? That's what we're going to be talking about today, and I have a feeling you're going to be surprised with the 2 tips that I have for you, one being mindset. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. On this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, the first thing that I want to talk to you about is a little bit of a story for me, right? I build exclusively online. I'm all about using attraction marketing. Make sure you check out my other videos that are linked into this channel over here so that you can learn more about attraction marketing and how it's helped me hit the top ranks in my company. But one thing that I'm really big about, even though I build online, is making sure that I am showing up for my corporate events. All right, here's why. All right, so when I first started in network marketing, I didn't invest in the corporate events, right? I was like, I don't want to go and spend this money to go to their, corporate event. I'm not making that much money, or maybe it's the exact same amount of money that I make every month. And so I can't afford to do it. I can't take off time. I was a school counselor at the time when I first started in network marketing. And I just felt like, my kids, I couldn't make the time. Right? How many of you guys have been like that before? You know exactly what it is that I'm talking about, right? We don't make it a priority. Well, what happened when I started to make it a priority, when I spoke with my upline and they made sure that all of us were at our corporate event that only happens, let's be honest, once or twice a year, right? So what ended up happening is when I showed up, I saw the fever. I saw the bug, right? So what happened when I showed up at this corporate event? Guys, when I showed up at this corporate event, all of the excitement was totally contagious. I was learning from the best of the best not only in the industry, but also in my company. And it was just absolutely amazing. And it just gave me this glimpse of hope in terms of what I had, right? That I had this amazing gift in my hands that could change people's lives. And I didn't see it before I showed up at these corporate events, right? So now I don't miss any corporate events. I am making sure whatever it takes, I am there, but more importantly, I am making sure that my team is there, right? There is a reason that they say that for every person that you get at these corporate events, at these, conventions that the company has, you can expect to have $1,000 more in your paycheck that year, right? So if you've got 30 people that show up on your team in the event, then you're going to get $30,000 more for that year. It's because of these events. It's because of the learning that takes place. It's because of the energy that happens. It's because of the vision that is painted at these events. And it's exactly why you need to be going to your corporate event. So my question of the day for you is, do you go to your corporate event? Put yes or no in the comments. Make sure, I can't recommend it enough, whatever sacrifices you need to make, whether it's making PB&J sandwiches while you're there, maybe it's, packing the room with 30 people, sharing a room, whatever it is, you can find a way to make it there because it's going to help you build your business. Now, the second piece of advice that I have in order to hit your network marketing business fast and hit the top ranks of your company fast is make sure that you are pouring into your mindset. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a licensed professional counselor by trade, and so I'm all about mindset. And when I first started in network marketing, I didn't really believe in this whole mindset thing. I'm not gonna lie to you, right? I was just like, oh yeah, I know how to fix that. I'm a counselor, right? But when I really started to dive into professional and personal development, it was amazing what happened to my business, right? Because when you are in network marketing, you're gonna hear a lot of no's. You're gonna hear a lot of crickets, so to speak. But when you are pouring into your mindset and you are laser focused on what your objectives are, your why, your passion is there, it doesn't matter when you hear those no's. But if you're not pouring into yourself, you're gonna let the negativity that can happen in this industry, you're gonna let it affect you. one of my favorite books, and I'm going to put a link in the comments below. You guys can get it on Audible. I'll put an Audible link on the comments below on Amazon, but it's called The Big Leap. And what I love about this book, it's by Gay Hendricks. It is amazing. It really helps take your mindset to the next level. It helps you understand what is holding you back from reaching your goals and your dreams. And like I said, it is one of my favorite personal development books that I pour into. I try to read this every single year. It's absolutely amazing. If you haven't read it, strongly recommend it. The link for the book is in the comments below. But what I would say is make sure you're pouring into your personal development, your mindset, whether it means writing your gratitude, whether it means meditating, whether it means, just taking some time to really appreciate all that you do have in your business and in your life, it's going to help you significantly, right? Because, too many times we listen to our friends and our family and they're telling us that we're crazy and, we're letting that negativity with this industry get into our heads and it stops us from reaching our goals. So if you guys are showing up to your team culture, on top of just the event that I talked about, if there's like a weekly training call like my company has, I strongly recommend that you get on these trainings, you pour into the culture of the company, you pour into the learning and the training, and then you get your mind right. When you have these two things in place successfully, you will have the success that you want in your network marketing business. You will hit the top ranks fast because you're not going to let anything stop you. And how contagious the excitement is from these events and these calls that your company has. It's absolutely amazing. It will fuel you to the next level. It will fuel you to work harder. So those are the 2 tips that I have for you on how to hit the top ranks of your company quickly in your network marketing business. And I would love to hear from you. What is your favorite personal development book? Put it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out as I come up with weekly content for you. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds. I will see you for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.